What is up, guys? Today we have a bicycle computer review from AliExpress. So I just got it right now 10 minutes ago. Now let's unbox it, test it out. So I want to use it on my bike here, or actually I can check it on my e-scooter as well. So let's unbox it. The price is around $15. You can get it. So let's see what you will get in the box. So actually pretty simple box, nothing on it. Have the device itself, so device let's put aside. Also inside the box you have the Type-C USB cable, so you can charge it. Also you have this installation tools. You have, I guess it's all unified somehow. How to install it, let's find out this way. Yeah, so you install it with a rubber like this, I guess like this, then you press it and install it to your like wheel. You have two here, and the manual. Let's check the manual first. What it will show: bicycle GPS computer manual. Okay, what you have here: this ring, rubber pad. So you have the GPS signals thrown, odometer here. How to install. Okay, so you install it like this from down. Okay, I will show you maybe how to install it on my bike, like this and that. Okay, so I got this really simple. Initial setup, time zone here, long press power button for 2 seconds to turn on device, and miles, kilometers supported, cycling, data display mode. From backside you have in German. Okay, so that's how this computer, we can call it computer, right, looks like. So here we have the charger, a USB Type-C charger, so covered against the water, I guess. So here you have two buttons, from the side no buttons here. Also I think it's easy mount system, so you can just install it. Okay, yeah, very simple. So install it, and it's really reliable fixed, I guess. Okay, so it's even more reliable. So now how to uninstall it. Okay, it's actually, yeah, the fixing system I think is really reliable. Now let's turn it on. Press the power button. Okay, so it's turned on. Temperature is showing, time is showing, battery charging, distance, altimeter, gravitation, so the angle and the time. So you can also see more settings. If you click power, okay, this power on, power off, long click. When you press one time at pause or start. Here you have one time, it's just see what you got here. So some other settings. Also let's click, okay, kilometers, time zone, 24 hours. Okay, so not much settings here available. Kilometers, okay, let's keep kilometers. Time zone, I have +2 time zone, 24 hour. Okay, but time is still not correct. What's showing 8 in the morning? It's not 8 in the morning, so how to change the time again? Let's try it out. Okay, it's only UTC can be selected, +2. Okay, quite strange. Why I cannot, okay, maybe here 12 hours. How to change the time? Let's check it out, because time is important to have it right. Okay, key for clear riding data, hold 1 + 2 to clear total mileage. Okay, interesting. Charging button. Satellites, no satellites. Actually, it's not connected yet. Time. How to install, initial setup, setting metric units, data display. Okay, where can I change the time, or I need to wait for GPS? I don't know. So it has Baidu, GLONASS, GPS, all available. Battery life 28 hours, 50 gram IPX7 protected. So for characteristics itself, it's really nice. Data display mode, cycling settings and metrics. Kilometers, miles, set the metrics unit. Okay, time zone. Hold to get settings. Okay, Quite strange initial setup. Choose the correct time zone. You can choose, okay, please note that the time can be set here after satellite positioning. Alright, so you need some satellite positioning to calibrate time, but now it's not this time. Even minutes doesn't fix. So GPS, I'm inside the building, so it doesn't work. Need to go outside. So first let me install it on my bike. Okay, now you will see how it works. So I will just leave the video here, and actually see it's connected with GPS, so the signal is quite well. You have temperature, time is correlated by GPS, and you have all the options available here.
I don't know if I can find my way.